Hi, I'm going to do a walkthrough for a Canadian tune called Grey Owl. It's in sawmill tuning. That's G, D, G, C, D. And this is how it goes in two parts. This is the A part. That's the A part. And so let's break that down. Hammer on third string, second fret, and then open second string. So that's then a pull off the second fret, first string, and then goes back to the second string, open. And then it repeats the hammer on to the second fret, the third, and then you open second, and then you hammer on the second fret of the first string. So that's the first phrase of the A part. It goes like this. Okay, and then it goes. So that's hammer on second fret first string, third fret first string, and then seventh fret first string. Bum ditty. You can go pull off to the fifth if you want to, but the fifth string is handy there. It stops you doing anything else, so you don't have to move your left hand. So that's so the second part of that phrase just stays on the seventh fret, doesn't come down to the fifth or use the fifth string. And then we go down again to that chord shape that we're using quite a lot here. So that's hammer on second fret, open second. So that's a brush and a pull off first string, second fret. Repeat that. So it's a bum ditty, but it misses out the di, so it's a bum e. That would be bum ditty. That's bum e. So I'm going to start again just to get my fingers and my head into it. So that's hammer on into that chord shape, which is second fret on the third string, open second string, third fret on the first string. It's actually it's an F chord, but you're not playing the F note there. So what I do is hammer on the second fret, third string, and then a ditty. And then it's pull off the second fret, second string, then goes down to the fourth fret on the third string, then back up to the open second string. So that's the whole of the A part. It goes like this. And then you repeat, so you do that twice. And then it goes into the B part, and the B part is this. So that's the fifth fret first string. That's a bum E again, so it's a bum ditty but with the dip missed out. shorter note on the second string open. So hammer on and a pull off immediately gives a little triplet. And then that chord again. And a bum E. So that we did before. It's a hammer on of that partial F chord. And it's the hammer on the third string that matters here. And you hammer on the 4th fret, and then you have your first finger, pointer finger, on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string. And that gives a nice open chord. So that's the 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 1st string, 3rd fret, 1st string, 2nd fret, open 1st string, open 2nd string. Then that same pattern again. So instead of the, it goes. So the whole of the B part. And that's kind of it. So the whole thing all put together. Okay, we all make mistakes sometimes. That was a mistake. So yeah, I hope that's enough to go on. And that's all there is to it. It's a lovely little tune. I hope you play it. I hope you like it. And yeah, it's, you know, you see I make mistakes, and we all do when we're learning. Do you know, doing these videos really helps you to learn. So if ever you want a good way of learning yourself, explaining things to others is a good way. Yeah, that's it. Thanks very much.